Hi, thank you so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick event. First, I'm going to scroll down to my demo rally, which is Volunteers of Community 10. Once I'm inside of my rally, I'm going to locate my calendar tab that sits on my navigation bar. And click on that. And here your calendar will appear. From here, you're going to click on Quick Event. Inside of a rally calendar, Quick Events is where you can create meetings and invite your members to attend and even RSVP. You might use this option to share out an open community town hall meeting or to share an external link to a relevant public event happening in your area. The on-screen prompts are pretty straightforward with options to input. You'll begin by adding your title. So today I'm going to do camp registration. My location is Winter Springs. You can add a meeting link. That would be like a Zoom. You can add your password and your description. Today I will do come join us for camp registration. You can select colors. This will appear on the calendar for your quick event. This could be really helpful in events that are geared towards different groups, or perhaps the color represents a different location. Here's all the colors that we have. Here you have the option to request RSVPs. You can make this an all-day event, or you can customize by date and time. You can do a start time and an end time, start date and end date. You can also choose whether the event repeats. This is a really great way to add those monthly meetings in one fell swoop, and it's created for the rest of the year. You can do this by repeat daily, repeat weekly, repeat monthly, and repeat yearly. You also have the option to attach photos and files to the event. This is a great way to make your event eye-catching and inform interested parties about the agenda details in advance. When you're done filling out your information, be sure to click Save. And here you will see that your quick event has now been created. This is where you can go in and edit your quick event. You can delete it. You can export it to Google, or you can export it to iCalendar or Outlook. And you also have the option to share it with individual rallies or multiple rallies at the same time by clicking the check boxes. And always be sure to click Share. When clicking back, this will take you to the calendar view, where you can now see that your quick event sits on the calendar. Now, if you'd like to go back to your Rallyhood dashboard, it's very simple. You can click on the Rallyhood logo in the top left corner, and voila, you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.